Hello people and welcome back to Car on Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments ever captured on Java's Dashcam, and we'll start today's episode off with a crazy crash in which a truck driver tried to make a turn but forgot to check his mirrors.
You know, that jackass clocked his...
Impatient driver in a pickup truck decided to pass everyone over a double solid yellow line, but he didn't know that there was a cop in the line waiting as well.
Road, Peel Regional Road 1 South.
Camry is about to catch something really crazy on his dashcam as he is sitting at the traffic lights. Believe it or not, but a kangaroo is casually about to cross the road. Driver from across the road is making a left turn, and therefore he had to yield to the camera because the camera was moving right. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, since we're dealing with a self-entitled and a rude driver here.
Whoa!
This is why we say all the time that you need to pay attention at the road in front of you and not on your phone, because something like this can easily happen. The camera got rear-ended by a careless driver, but luckily he even left some space in front of him and he didn't come to a chain accident.
You have a stop sign, lady.
Jesus, bend over.
Pay close attention at this guy in a backpack. He is about to enter a vehicle, but from the wrong side. And when the car is about to move forward, something crazy is about to happen. Make sure to stick around for this one and write me your opinion about it as well. Pay close attention at the driver on the camera's left side. He cut the camera off, but that's not the worst part. He even ran a red light and didn't allow these pedestrians to cross the road on a crosswalk. Pay close attention at the crazy driver in front of the camera. We always say that it's really important to keep a safe distance between you and the vehicle in front because you can never know what can happen on the road. He didn't listen and, well, he caused a rear-end accident.
That's the wrong way. Go that way. That way.
They're detaining me because
Angry Karen in front of the camera made a turn, but she forgot to use her turn signals. Moves like this can seriously lead to heavy damage and injuries in traffic, and when the camera turned around to confront her and tell her how dangerous that was, she started jumping and screaming at him.
Đây.
Đèn đỏ.
Đồ má thằng này nó vượt đèn nè. Thằng này mà nó chạy là dính chấu rồi.
Nó chạy qua trái.
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Dashcam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and picking up something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because we will really appreciate it, since it would help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.